Okay.
Nothing to incriminate me, is there?
2, 1. Oh dear, what can the matter be? My school's been put in a category. They say we're unsatisfactory. What are we going to do now? We'll have to work harder with more observations. The worry and stress fill me with consternation. The goalposts are changing into obfuscation. What are we going to do now? Oh dear, what can the matter be? They want to turn us into an academy. Work every day, all Sunday and Saturday. What are we going to do now? More learning, walks, mock-offs, deads, walk-ins and drop-ins. Mentoring, scrutinies, check-ups and pop-ins. We won't need a pension, we'll just need our coffins. What are we gonna do now? Oh dear, what can the matter be? Michael Gove is scrapping the CSE. Says it's too easy now, all the kids get to see. What are we gonna do now? Michael Wilshaw is piling the pressure on. He thinks it's good that our brain cells are nearly gone. I can remember when this job was really fun. What are we gonna do now? Remember that teaching's our chosen vocation, but those new ideas just fill us with frustration. Schools don't need Bibles, it's just liberation from all of these stupid ideas. The press all think that teachers are easy, they think that teaching bashing is really great. We're too tired and scared to retaliate. What are we gonna do now? We'll all join a union and show what we're made of. Show Grove and his cronies that we're not afraid of. Their bullying tactics and pressure in aid of privatising all the schools.